Hey friends, Brian with Trend Motors Volkswagen, and with us today is the 2022 Volkswagen Taos. This is the all-new compact crossover. It's going to slot in below the Tiguan, although the sizes are relatively comparable. The width is actually slightly wider than the Tiguan. So the Taos here, this one's finished off in cornflower blue, similar to the Rabbit GTI package. Pretty nice color here. This is the SEL. Comes in 3 trim levels: S, SE, and SEL. SEL being the top billing, if you will. You get one engine, 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder, 158 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque. And it's paired up, depending on if it's front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, you're going to get an 8-speed automatic transmission for the front-wheel drive, which this vehicle is in front of us here. Or if you opt for 4-motion all-wheel drive, you're going to get a 7-speed DSG, a direct shift gearbox. All right, so pretty sweet. You have the signature front end there. Looks like the newer Atlas, a lot of the newer Volkswagens. The SEL has the IQ.LIGHT there, so it's got the LED projector headlights, LED, the signature daytime running lights, and I have the headlights on right now to show you. It's got an LED bar running across, connecting the headlights there. So nice little signature option there. I tell you, once they introduced LEDs, years back, the possibilities for head and taillight designs are endless. All right, so this one's got black 18-inch wheels there. Little Taos call out on the fender. Obviously, body color side view mirrors. You got silver roof rails. You got a panoramic sunroof up top. That is an option for the SEL. So if you like your vehicles without a sunroof, you have it is optional. Okay. Again, out back you got LED taillights. Pretty cool design, similar to the new Atlas, or I should say the refreshed Atlas, or they're kind of Audi-esque as well. But they're definitely within the Volkswagen family, instantly recognizable. Badge placement's a little low on this one, below the license plate there. And presumably if it had 4-motion, the call out would be right where our dealership sticker is located. All right, those are just exhaust finishers, if you will. Obviously, they're not holes. The exhaust comes out the bottom. People care about that apparently. You have front and rear. I'm sorry, you got the rear parking sensors there. This one has the nice chrome on the belt line there. Overall, it's a sharp looking car there. All right, so let's take you inside before this video gets a little too long. So all the host of, when you think SEL, you're gonna get keyless entry, little button right here. You got push button ignition. You have digital dash there. It's gonna yell at me. Yes, thank you. Got a digital dash, familiar, Volkswagen. Digital screen there, obviously. And it's nice and flat too. So pretty sharp. Automatic climate control. You got heated seats. Got all sorts of buttons on the steering wheel. Volkswagen's new design there. Automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, power heated mirrors, all sorts of stuff. Here real quick. So this is the front wheel drive version. 2836 with a combined of 31. That's pretty impressive. And the sticker on this is 34,424. So like I said, the sunroof's optional. You got monster mats and prepaid maintenance up to 30,000 miles. And a roadside assistance kit, but everything else you see is standard. So it's got IQ.DRIVE, which is all the safety features as far as blind spot monitoring. You got lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, pretty sharp seats there. You have looks like Beats stereo. If you can see the little B, check out that sunroof right there. That is nice. Got a power shade as well. And overall, I mean, the vehicle itself is perfect for anybody who's looking for that SUV capabilities, but really doesn't want to, sit too high up. You know, the Mark 8 Golf, unfortunately, is not going to be offered in the US, so this is a fantastic alternative for that. Now, obviously, if you want a stick shift, you're not going to be able to get a stick shift in this one, but the take rate for stick shifts is unfortunately so low that, I mean, it is what it is. And lastly, so with the seats up and front wheel drive, you get 28 cubic feet of space. You see all my camera gear back here. So it is it's pretty substantial back here. With 4Motion, it drops to 25 cubic feet of space, but again, that's still substantial. All right. So again, this is the all-new 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Comes in 3 flavors, 2 drive lines, 2 transmissions, and a host of very, very cool colors. You can find it at Trend Motors Volkswagen. We're at 221 Route 46 West in Rockaway, New Jersey. You can find us online, trendmotors.com, on all social media channels at Trend Motors VW. And with more new Volkswagens to come, please make sure to check back. We would love to interact with you. Have a great day.